If you've been wondering whether you can play music on the Redmi Watch 6, the answer is yes. So the Redmi Watch 6 has the capability of controlling your music player from your phone, and it also has the ability to play music on its own. So you can actually upload or transfer music directly into the Redmi Watch 6 and play it without actually using your phone. To practically explain this, if I go ahead and try to play a music from the YouTube music application on my phone, I can actually just control this particular music by going over to the music app on the Redmi Watch 6 and then controlling this music by pausing the music if I want, playing it if I want, and also skipping to the next music as well. But for this particular feature, the audio is actually going to be coming out from your phone, not from the Redmi Watch 6. The Redmi Watch 6 also has the ability to play music directly from the smartwatch itself. So if I go over to the Mi Fitness application from over here and then navigate to the apps option from over here, then to music, we have the manage music option from over here, and you can actually upload or transfer music into your Redmi Watch 6. So if I tap on the music plus icon at the top over here, just like so, I have access to audio files on my phone which you want to play on your Redmi Watch 6. You can actually download royalty-free audio files from the internet and then just transfer them into your Redmi Watch 6. You can see this one I just downloaded. I can select on it and then tap on the check button at the top, and automatically it will be imported or uploaded into my Redmi Watch 6. Depending on the size of the audio file, this might actually take a lot of time, and now you just want to click on close. At this point, you can actually now play the music directly from your Redmi Watch 6 without your phone. So if I go over to the music player application on my Redmi Watch 6, tap on this three dot icon at the bottom over here, select on music source, I can actually just tap on watch instead of the phone option, and if I go back to the music player application, you can see the music I just uploaded into the watch, and I can actually play it directly from here. So the smartwatch actually has a speaker and then a microphone as well. And I hope this answers your question, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.